Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Growing Child Study Activity. Dear kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. So let's start the video. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for doll. D for doll. Very good. Repeat after me. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for key. K for key. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. Very good. Repeat after me. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Once again, speak aloud and repeat after me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for key. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. Thanks for watching this video.